Talk about a shitty way to start your morning. I just woke up and this guy's looking at his hood. Apparently somebody hit his ass. That's gotta suck. As much as I hate this fucking dash camera, man, it saves me from having to deal with shit like that. I still got the dash camera in sleep mode. Look. Can't see shit inside the cab, but I don't know if you see the lens there or not. I can see the whole hood. Y'all can't damage my shit without me seeing it.